A great way to increase your average order value and make your store more profitable is to set up a product bundle. Head over to Bundle Deals under Atlas on the left. Click Create Bundle to get started. Atlas gives you 4 bundle templates to pick from, each designed to boost sales in a different way. There's Buy X, Get Y, like buy 2, get 1 free. Perfect for quick promos. Volume Discount offers better deals the more someone buys, like 10% off for 2, 30% off for 5. Complete the Look lets you bundle related items like an outfit at a discount. And Special Bundle plus Free Gift adds a free item at higher tiers to encourage bigger orders. Pick the one that fits your product strategy best, then customize from there. Give your bundle a name, then fill in your bundle title, update the Add to Cart button text, and choose which products the bundle applies to. You can target all products, a specific collection, or just one item. You can also tweak how the pricing appears and adjust display settings like variant images and layout spacing. If you want to edit any of the offers, just click into them. You'll be able to change the text, labels, and the discount type, like setting a percentage off, fixed amount, or even a buy one get one deal. Once you're happy with everything, click the Colors text tab to match your bundle's look to your store, then hit Publish. You'll get a success message, but to actually show the bundle on your store, click Take Me to My Store and hit Customize on the Atlas theme. Scroll down your product page. If you don't see the bundle yet, click the plus icon, go to the Apps tab, and add the Atlas Bundler block. Once it's added, click Save in the top right. And now, your product bundle is live and ready to help drive more sales. If you're planning to sell more than just one product, adding multiple products to the same store is actually really simple. Just head to Product Pages under Atlas on the left side. You'll see the theme we already created earlier. Select that, then click Generate Product Page. From here, it works just like before. Choose where your product is coming from, paste in the link, and Atlas will generate a brand new product page for you. This way, you can keep building out your store with more products, all under one clean, professional storefront. Before we wrap up, let's quickly go over Shopify's pricing plan so you know what to expect after the trial. First, there's the basic plan, starting at $19 a month when billed yearly. It's great for solo entrepreneurs. You get 10 inventory locations, 24/7 chat support, and in-person selling tools. Third-party card rates start at 2%, and you can try it for just $1 a month for the first 3 months. Next is the Grow plan at $49 a month. It's ideal for small teams and includes 5 extra staff accounts, the same inventory and support, and lowers your card fees to 1%. Then we have the Advanced plan, starting at $299 a month. This one's for scaling businesses. You get 15 staff accounts, local storefront support, and even lower payment fees, down to 0.6%. And finally, there's Shopify Plus at $2,300 a month, built for large, complex businesses with custom needs. No need to decide right away. You can explore all of this risk-free with the 3-month trial at ecomsensei.com/Shopify. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've built a fully customized, professional Shopify store, complete with clean product photos, compelling content, and smart bundle offers, all powered by AI.